Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on a Toyota Hiace H100 series. Start by opening the bonnet with the yellow lever under the passenger seat and swing the seat upwards. This Hiace is powered by the 2RZ carburetted petrol engine. Drive the van onto ramps and get underneath. The oil sump and filter are set a long way back but are easily accessible. Use a 14mm socket to remove the sump plug and let the oil drain out. Once that's done, replace the sump washer and tighten up the sump plug. Next step is the oil filter. Toyota recommend using the SST oil filter wrench, but we didn't need it. The filter was only on hand tight and came off way too easily. Loosen the filter a bit and wait until the oil stops dripping out.
Because the filter always holds a bit of oil.
Once the dripping stops, remove the filter and wipe down the mating surface so that the new filter can form a clean seal with it. Take your Ryco Z89A oil filter and smear clean engine oil on the seal. Screw on the new filter and hand tighten it until it won't go any further.
Pretty much can't go wrong. Okay.
Time to fill up the oil. We used an entire 5 litre bottle of Nulon 15W40 semi-synthetic. Close the bonnet. Start the engine and check underneath for any leaks. And that's how you do an oil change on a Toyota Hiace H100 series.